Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove deleted apps from iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. To remove deleted apps from your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. On the App Store, locate and click on the profile picture at the top right. Then go ahead and click on Apps. Once you selected apps, click on My Apps. Under My Apps, you should see all the applications you have installed on your iPhone. To see application you've deleted, click on Not on this iPhone. Then you should see all the applications you've deleted on your iPhone. To remove the app from your iPhone or from your iPhone App Store, all you simply need to do is swipe left and then select Hide. So you want to repeat this on all the application on your iPhone and then you are good. Once you are done, go ahead and click on Done, and that is it. So that's exactly how to remove deleted apps from iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.